Hello guys, this is Bharat Jhunjhunwala and I welcome you to another edition of the Traders Classroom. Today I have just released this video because I have found basically two trading opportunities, and I just wanted to share with you the analysis and what you can really look into it. The first chart is the copper chart, and this is the copper daily chart of the MCX, and you can see some important developments here. The first important development is this: the crossover of the moving averages have been taking place here, and it indicated here at this moment to get out of our longs, right? So it already told us that the longs will not be a good idea at this place. Secondly, you can see that the 3 SMA of the RSI 3 has gone into the oversold zones. Now this is also an indication of a persistent weakness that may be creeping up in the commodity. Now also this big black candles, that indicates selling in the last session has been there, and intensive selling. And also you may notice there was a gap down yesterday. You can see this gap down after the doji thing. So it's quite evident from these things that the copper is no more going to be in a good position to trade for the long thing. And now if you want, you can short the copper looking at the hourly charts. Just switch on to the hourly chart or 4 hourly charts and apply trend line methods or any methods to go short in the copper. The first target will be at this place. Of course, we can expect copper to come down to 331 or 330 odd levels here. And also you must notice that this is the moving average here, confluence here. So on a broad view, copper looks weak, but again these things are telling us that there may be a good sell off in copper. But when the copper reaches this moving average and when the copper reaches the 40 levels on RSI, take a note of it and try to see what copper is doing at these levels. If it fails to move up and again move up and take resistance of the moving down averages here and start to move down, roll down, the SMA3 starts to roll down, then it will be a good time to go aggressive short in copper. So keep this thing in your watch list. We will be a type of monitoring this throughout this month. Okay, so it can be a good trade setup here. Next is one more commodity, that is natural gas. Now if you have seen the natural gas, let me open the chart of natural gas. Yeah, natural gas. Okay, so this is the natural gas chart. Now again the same thing what you see here is, first, that there is a moving average support on the natural gas, and also the RSI is taking support on the 40 and 42 levels. Now this is a very good indication of a support that tells us that natural gas may not be getting weak from here. And also if you see the failure to get oversold this time, now this failure to get oversold indicates strength in the commodity. So if you just now when we are getting a good close above the 205 levels, now it is trading at 197, you can go long here, book some profit at 205, and when it again closes over 205, then it is going to 223 levels. Now these are good levels to watch for natural gas. Also one thing is sure, that natural gas is not getting weak here, because you can see the RSI and you can see this not getting oversold thing, and also you can see this bearish no small bodied candle. That means the selling interest has really turned down, or has really decreasing here. So it's quite an indication that natural gas may go up. So immediate stop loss placement will be around these levels, that is the low of 183. And one more thing I just want to bring to your notice is, there has been a positive reversal formation on the this RSI, the short term RSI. So it's quite indication of a little bit of strength that may be accumulating in natural gas. So keep these two things in your watch list, guys. We will be following up these two trades through this week, and I think that these two trades will be a good trade in the weeks to trade, because I am a commodity trader and I believe in trading commodities more than anything else, because once the trend is set in a commodity, the trend is very strong, right? So and also commodity is not only driven by emotions as in stock market. There are many factors that drive a commodity trend. So if you see, all big traders around the world are commodity traders, because the trends are very strong in commodities. So we'll discuss this some other time, but keep these two things in your watch list as of now. This is Bharat Junjunwala signing off. Trade well.